Hey, Allie's group. Jesse Frieda here. I'm the SEO specialist she's been talking about, and I'm going to be putting on a workshop for you this Friday. What I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be covering the 12 to 15 um, different components of what goes into giving a site strong SEO. Basically, the way Google works is when its algorithm is deciding which website to put on the first page of Google, it looks for different pieces of content on your site, right? The writings, images, video. There's back end pieces of code like metadata, header tags, um, right? And when all this stuff is keyword optimized the right way, Google's algorithm basically freaks out, and whatever site is doing this properly, it grabs that site and puts it on the first page of Google, right? So that's what we'll be showing you guys how to do. Also, come with a bunch of questions. I know that a bunch of you are all reading articles about SEO, and this class is going to be high level. So if you have a WordPress account, if you have a Squarespace account, if you have a Wix account, right, you don't have to be a professional web developer to start implementing some of this stuff and to start seeing the results. Um, so whatever you've read online, I'm going to be giving you my take. Sometimes you read one article, it says one thing. You read another article, it says exactly the other thing. Like when I'm staying up to date on my industry, I read roughly 10 to 15 articles. I read them all. I try the good stuff on, 3 or 4 or 5 different sites, and then I track the results every month and I see what works and what doesn't. So that is kind of intensive process to track it every month and all that. So I'm just going to kind of give you the cheat sheet, the research I've already done, so you can implement it and get my take on things. So, like I said, come with some questions. Be logged into your site if you want. I would like the things that I'm teaching you, you're going to be able to implement some of the principles directly on your site during the meeting, so that by the end of the meeting, um, you're going to start, Google's going to start indexing, your site with the new content we put on there. And within a couple of weeks, we should be able to get some results and see some improvement. So get excited. I know I'm excited. Ali says you're a great group. This Friday, I will see you in a few days.